Plastic, Dr. Kushner-Raymond definition. Plastics are macromolecules, which are formed by the polymerization of simple molecules. Explanation. Plastic was discovered by famous German chemist Christian Schönbein in 1846. The word, plastic, was derived from the word plastikos meaning to mold in Greek. In other words, we can say that plastic is a polymer formed from monomers. The phenomenon in which simple and smaller molecules are combined together to form complex and large molecules are called polymerization. The simple and smaller molecules are called monomers and the large and complex molecules are called polymers. Properties of plastic. Strong and ductile. Poor conductors of heat and electricity. Easily molded into different shapes and sizes. Resist corrosion and are resistant to many chemicals. Types of plastic. There are the following two types of plastics. 1. Thermoplastic. 2. Thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic. Thermoplastic is also known as thermo-softening plastic. This type of plastic is manufactured by heating, softening, melting, and cooling the raw materials. This process can be repeated and it does not affect the properties of plastic. Thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastics are those materials, which cannot be heated, only once before they set, i.e. they cannot be reworked. Examples of plastic. Polyethylene, polyethylene in presence of traces of oxygen. When ethylene is heated at 200 C, under 100 atmospheres pressure, then polymerization takes place, which is commonly known as polyethylene. Uses. Polyethylene is the most common plastic used to form polyethylene bags and to package food. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC or polyvinyl chloride is the polymer of vinyl chloride. When vinyl chloride is heated at 80 oC with catalyst hydrogen peroxide, then polymerization takes place. As a result, polyvinyl chloride is formed. Uses of polyvinyl chloride. PVC is used for insulating covering for electrical cables, manufacturing gramophones, records, suitcase covering, etc. Polyvinyl acetate. Polyvinyl acetate, PA, is the polymer of vinyl acetate. Uses. PA is used in the manufacture of chewing gums and in the waterproofing of textiles. Bakelite. Bakelite is a polymer of phenol and formaldehyde. By the condensation of two molecules of phenol with formaldehyde, a polymer bakelite is obtained. Uses. Bakelite is used to make buttons, switches, electrical boards, camera, radio, telephone, etc. Quality of plastics. During the polymerization, some other components are also mixed to improve the quality of the plastic. For example, the plasticizer is mixed with the polymer. It reduces the brittleness and improves the elasticity of plastic. Fillers are also mixed with the polymer, which usually increases the mechanical strength of plastics. Some pigments or dyes are added to get various colored plastics. Plastic industry of Pakistan. The Pakistan plastic industry consists of molding plastic powders into various articles of daily use. Common plastics, their abbreviations, names and uses. Thermoplastics. Acrylonitrile butadiene styrene ABS. Computer housings, car bumpers, camera bodies, telephones, suitcases. Cellulose acetate CA spectacle frames, toothbrush handles, packaging film. Polymethylmethacrylate acrylic. Jewelry, display stands, shop signs, lenses, synthetic fibers. Polyamides nylon. Clothing, gears, bearings, zips. Polycarbonate. Bulletproof shields, bottles, crash helmets. Polyethylene polythene. Carrier bags, kitchen containers, children's toys. Polypropylene. Furniture, ropes, electric kettles, door handles, hinges. General purpose polystyrene GPPS. Packaging, jewelry. High impact polystyrene HEPS. Refrigerator inners, radio casings, yogurt pots. Expanded polystyrene. Insulation.